Hi, Brian here at Gengras Volvo North Haven. Last week we were talking about visibility, and this week it's still important. We're going to go over a few more features to help you out. Last week we showed you when you engage reverse, it gives you the backup camera. But that's not the only way to get there. If you swipe right, you can select camera here, and you can see that same view. On this car we have the optional 360-degree view. It gives you a bird's eye view of the car, where you can select each camera and see what's on the side, see what's in the front, the other side, and back to the back, where you can zoom. But hey, if you're backing up and mirrors are still your thing, and you'd like a little bit better view, there's a solution for that too. Come back down here, swipe right, and hit headrest fold. And now you can get a little bit wider view. The technology that Volvo developed for these cars is pretty impressive, but only if we know how to use it. I hope these tips help you to drive safe.